In 2026, I had the privilege of traveling to Bali, Indonesia, as part of the IKEA Foundation Ambassador Program, alongside five fellow ambassadors from Australia and New Zealand. Bali is one of the Foundation's key hubs, where many local driven initiatives are supported to fight global warming.
While the IKEA Foundation is a nonprofit and we are fighting global warming with and for the many IKEA coworkers should be proud of the IKEA Foundation for so many different reasons, but ultimately because they are contributing to it.
One of the most impactful parts of the trip was visiting project sites and seeing firsthand the work of local partners. We gained a deeper understanding of their challenges, their vision, and the meaningful progress they have achieved. A highlight was visiting a maggot farming operation, an innovative solution addressing organic waste management in Bali. This initiative transforms organic waste into valuable resources, reducing environmental risks. We observed their processes, visited their clients, and even saw the system in action in a five-star hotel that actively uses their services. We also met people behind these initiatives.
My work is actually we help small-scale fishermen to have a better living by providing electric propulsion system as part of the solution for them.
Another inspiring moment was traveling on an electric shuttle bus supported by the IKEA Foundation, demonstrating practical steps toward reducing carbon emissions. This experience not only deepened my understanding of sustainability challenges and solutions, but also made me incredibly proud to work for IKEA, a company that truly cares for the environment.